Hello Tron holders, how are you? Hope you are fine now. Welcome back to another video about TRX crypto. TRX Tron holders, hope you are doing well. Let's start the video. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of TRX. So guys, the right now price of TRX in the market is 0.093497 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Tron TRX, guys. Furthermore guys, if we talk about the price changes update of Tron, so only last 1 hour update is positive, except of last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes over in the Tron are completely going negative, guys. I mean the price are going completely in the dump mode. So guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your update about Tron TRX? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates, for more news videos about Tron, guys. And guys, my prediction about Tron is like that, and I believe guys that now possibilities, now at this time the price jump, so after falls there is a jump, guys. And possibilities guys that at the last of September and the last week of September, higher possibilities that TRX price will pump, guys. So that's why guys I recommend for you to please hold, don't decide to sell, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.